So Jeffrey, tell me, how long have you lived here at Camp Hill Village?
32 years.
Really? Where did you live before?
In North Minneapolis, by the Jordan neighborhood, Jordan Elementary School.
So, what's your favorite thing about living here at Camp Hill Village?
What's good? It's been safe.
It's safe. Okay. And then do you like the people that you live with too?
I do.
Then what's your favorite food that you have here?
We have pizza. I like pizza. We have lasagna. We have enchiladas. It's all kinds of food.
Well, and it all sounds really good.
It does.
So, what is a job that you have to do here that you don't really care for?
It's the garden. It's the garden because of the sun.
Okay.
It's health reasons.
Okay. So, what's your favorite job to do here?
It's the weavery.
Do you do that quite a bit?
I do that. I think I do it for now. It's just once a week. See, it's going to be more when winter comes.
Then do you take some of the things that you have made and take them to sell them?
Right in Fall Festival, open day.
Okay. So do you work away from Camp Hill Village too?
No, just in the village.